There's a big dust storm coming. Thought I'd film this while I'm in Arizona, so hope you enjoy. It's a big one. Oh man, it's coming this way. This is crazy. Ow. Sorry. Yeah, it's coming right up on us. It's coming up fast too. That was miles and miles away from where we were. It's coming up quick. I think we're going to be getting a storm here pretty soon. That's just a wall of dirt. The whole thing is a wall of dirt, just like in the Sahara movies. And it's going to hit us. It's going to be crazy. I can't believe this happens in Arizona. It's kind of cool. It's very, very unique. Oh, and it's going to hit. It seems like it's right over us because it's so big. It's just right there. The camera's probably pretty deceiving looking at it right now, but it's just a huge wall of dirt. It's so crazy. Everything, you got gray clouds up here, and then there's just a red cloud. Big old wall of red, and it's coming in quick. The wind's picking up. It's starting to pick up. Probably start going crazy here in a minute. It's gonna hit here in a minute, so I'm gonna have to go inside, film it from the inside, but it's a big wall. It's crazy. It's coming, everybody! Oh man, it's almost here. Almost near. The wind's really picking up now. Grandma's house. It's hot as crap, man. Let's see what happens. It's almost right over us here. Oh man. This is crazy. It's about to hit. I'm gonna have to run inside because this looks like a big... It's going fast. Almost here. Wow, that came quick. It's right over us now. Directly over us. Okay. And there's the dirt. I'm gonna have to go inside. I'm gonna have to go inside. Here it comes. Yeah, it came. It came real quick. I've been filming the whole thing. It's gonna get crazy.
Yes, and we're gonna get rain.
Yep, and the wind, it's gonna come through.
Here, can we open these to the side?
Just put them straight and then pull that straight, the solid there. Yeah. Oh, poor Brady's boat.
Is that just a seat sitting up on his boat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, wall of dust.
No kidding. And that's what
Look at that
I don't
palm
like. Oh.
We get this in Elkridge, just minus the dust.
No, this is nothing like Elkridge.
There's the mom.
Completely different world.
There's the mom right through.
For Zach?
That's Zach's wife, I think.
Look how windy it gets.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to have to buy a new boat cover. Unless we can sew that one.
You can sew it. There's ample room on the side.
This is crazy.
It just has too much play.
We haven't had a dust storm like this for a long time.
That is bizarre. Did you water your avocado tree?
I love it. Yeah, I watered it. It's got plenty of water.
Oh my Lord. Aren't you glad we didn't leave for the hospital?
I know my buddy was wanting to have a Little barbecue kickback tonight.
Is Jim's red truck over there?
Yeah.
My buddy Andy.
He's probably wondering about the safety of his cats.
Huh.
Oh, I hate this kind of weather.
I love it.
I love it.
So does Doug. I'm surprised Hazel hasn't
Oh, it'll all blow out of here in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Was out in full force, 13 runs, 14 hits, but what was overlooked possibly was the outstanding defense by catcher Miguel Montero, something over the last couple of seasons that he has taken a great deal of pride in. A couple of times during the shift.
Wow. Real Willie.
Not tonight. Second inning, he was gunned down, and then in the fifth inning, he tried it again. Opposing teams willing to run on Miggy at their own peril.